आम, बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद अर्थ डे पर आप सभी लोग जो आए हैं मेहमान, मुअज़्ज़िज़ मेहमान हैं। मैं बहुत आप लोगों के लिए शुक्रिया और मुबारकबाद देती हूँ कि आप लोगों ने इतना बड़ा प्रोग्राम किया और मुझे भी इस प्रोग्राम में मेरी खिदमत को, मेरी खिदमत को आपने सराहा। मुझे बहुत हौसला मिल रहा है और अच्छा होता कि आप लोगों के बीच में होती, आप सभी मेहमानों से मुलाकात करती, लेकिन मेरी हेल्थ इश्यूज़ की वजह से नहीं आ सकी। मेरा पैगाम है कि मैं इस अर्थ डे पे आप सब प्रोग्राम जो कर रहे हैं, मैं उन सब की शुक्रगुज़ार हूँ और मैं ये पैगाम देना चाहती हूँ कि हिंदुस्तान ही नहीं, पूरी दुनिया में लोग जल, ज़मीन, जंगल और पर्यावरण को सब सुरक्षित करें, ताकि जब जल, ज़मीन और जंगल सुरक्षित होंगे, ये ज़मीन खुशहाल होगी, सरसब्ज़ और शादाब होगी और कोई भी भूखा नहीं रहेगा। चाहे वो पशु पक्षी हों, चाहे जानवर हों, न भूखे होंगे न प्यासे होंगे। उन सबको अपना अपना खुराक, अपना अपना हिस्सा मिलेगा। और कुरान
I believe that when you're getting an award, you must have a voice. I have to say something very important. Very often, and actually every time, you are called to perform in Mumbai for XYZ event. It's always told that we are giving you an award at the end of it. This has been an organization that engaged us professionally for the performance. And thank you for the izzat that I'm still getting an award. It's not linked, so that was very special. So thank you for all the work that you do. Yes, because these are the things that matter, because musicians seem to always have opportunities and then an award. But these guys have had the love and the integrity to host us professionally, and yes, I'm getting an award. Thank you so much.
Artist for the year.
Yes, the artist of the year, ladies and gentlemen, stands in front of all of you. We can't be so quiet. Come on, everybody. Thank you for leveraging artistic talent to amplify and deepen critical environmental messaging. Thank you so much once again. And of course, these moments are not just heartwarming, they're heart-melting. The shine in our eyes and of course the pride in our heart to be associated with a platform like this is absolutely unparalleled. Now, ladies and gentlemen, yes, we've got the presenters right here. We're going to quickly get to the moment we all have been waiting for. I'd like to call upon Mr. Krishanand to please join us on the stage. Sir, can we please have you here? Thank you once again. So let me tell all of you that we are going to be calling our awardees in alphabetical order. We've got them in 3 sets. We are going to welcome them one after the other. We begin with our set 1. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Agri Vijay, for advancing energy access and climate resilience across rural India. Congratulations. Thank you so much. AgriVijay champions renewable energy for farmers, demonstrating transformative leadership in rural India, expanding across 18 states and 37 districts. It connects 595 villages to over 200 clean energy innovations through strong partnerships. By enabling solar irrigation and sustainable solutions, especially for women, it has created 400 plus green jobs while reducing emissions, improving resource efficiency, strengthening waste management, and increasing rural incomes sustainably. And now I'd like to call upon Ambar Masjid for promoting environmental stewardship and driving clean energy adoption in community religious spaces. India's first all-woman solar-powered mosque exemplifies inclusive and sustainable community leadership. Powered by solar energy, it operates with partial off-grid independence, efficient maintenance, ensuring long-term performance, while cost-saving supports social and educational initiatives. Demonstrating that climate action is not just a technology but also social and deeply community driven. Thank you so much and congratulations. Now I'd like to call upon with all the round of applause there is in this room Bharatiya Jain Uttana Parishad for expanding reliable clean energy access by solarizing rural schools and Anganwadis. Ladies and gentlemen, they are lighting and truly enhancing community infrastructure, improving safety, productivity, and strengthening overall quality of life through sustainable, accessible energy solutions.